Hello guys, it's Max here from Daily Market Movements, and in front of me we have the S&P 500 futures chart. Very interesting session here on Wall Street. We did briefly break back below the 50-day EMA, despite our resurgence from the area on Monday with that fantastic candlestick where we rallied 2.5 to 3% on the day. But over the space of Tuesday and Wednesday's trading session, we declined back towards the 50-day EMA, and as I just mentioned, we did briefly break below it earlier on in today's trading session. But since then, the bulls have seemed to have taken back control of the market. We're currently trading at 3,819. It's all about the close, okay? The past couple of sessions, we have, fallen rather significantly going into the closing bell. So if that was to happen during today's trading session, that would then confirm a daily close below the 50-day EMA, and that could send this market lower, perhaps down to the 3,700 area. I'm just going to draw a red line here. This is an area which should offer some support, as if I just circle it as well, we have found support at this area in previous trading sessions dating back to the beginning of the year, and going into the month of February. So if we were to get that daily close, that is an area where I would be willing to buy. I have just bought a small position here at the 50-day EMA. I do anticipate a rebound, maybe towards the 3,900 level. It's been dragged down also by tech, of course. Apple, the likes of Apple, the likes of Tesla. These are some of the largest stocks in the S&P 500. Apple by far is the largest company. The way that this indice is weighted. So when Apple has a very, very bad day, like it's been having a lot of recently, so does the S&P 500. But then on the flip side, you've got the likes of Boeing, for example, that's been carrying the S&P 500 rather well. It's up 5% again during today's trading session. So, my bias on this market is I am bullish. As I just mentioned, I've just bought short-term, medium-term, long-term. I think that we will rebound. In 6 to 12 months, I will be very, very surprised if we're not trading at or just below previous all-time highs.